Police find submachine gun on Tarrant Drive, St. Andrew, Jamaica. The quick response team of the Public Safety and Traffic Enforcement Branch seized an illegal firearm with several rounds of ammunition during an operation on Tarrant Drive in the parish on Monday, July 25. Reports are that about 2:05 p.m., the team conducted a snap raid in the community. The team searched an abandoned Toyota Corolla motor car and found a Mac 11 submachine gun loaded with 10 9mm rounds of ammunition. The weapon was found in a pillowcase in the trunk of the car. No one was arrested in connection with the seizure, however the investigation continues. 2 wanted men surrendered to Westmoreland Police, Westmoreland, Jamaica. 2 men who were wanted in Westmoreland for serious crimes turned themselves into the police on Monday, July 25. They are 33-year-old Vivian Godfrey, of Ricketts Street in Savannah Lamar, Westmoreland, who was wanted for shooting with intent and illegal possession of firearm and ammunition, and 30-year-old Francel Lawrence of Spanish Town, St. Catherine, who was wanted for murder. The 2 men will now remain in custody as arrangements are finalized for them to be formally charged, the police said.